In July 2019, Ngāti Rangi settled its historical treaty claims through Rukutia Te Mana. As we look to the next 1,000 years, a revised Ngāti Rangi group structure has been set. Te Tōtarahoe o Paerangi is our post-settlement governance entity, also known as the PSGE. Its role is to uphold the mana o te iwi and to protect our aspirations by acting on behalf of and in the beneficial interests of Ngāti Rangi. This is to advance our cultural, social, environmental and economic aspirations and to uphold the mana o te iwi. Te Tōtarahoe is a term for the outer part of the forest that acts like a windbreak for the rākau rangatira and their young. This windbreak is also known as the ururua and is the place where trees such as koromiko, māoe, patate and karamu grow well. This term is also used for the warriors and protectors of the iwi, also known as the matuatua taua. Te Tōtarahoe o Paerangi manage the settlement assets of Rukutia Te Mana, which includes financial and commercial assets of approximately $25 million. It also includes a range of rights over specified Crown properties. Te Tōtarahoe can also allocate pūtea to Ngā Waihua o Paerangi, previously known as Ngāti Rangi Trust, who deliver environmental, social, whānau ora and cultural kaupapa to Uri. Te Tōtarahoe o Paerangi is made up of 7 trustees. The chair of Te Kāhui o Paerangi, our tribal runanga, a paaki representative from Te Paituara, and 5 elected trustees. A call for trustee nominations will be made early 2020. Trustee elections will be held in May 2020 and all Ngāti Rangi iwi adult registered members can vote. Ensure your details are up to date by visiting our website ngatirangi.com or by calling 0800 N-Rangi. Want to know more about becoming a registered member or to nominate whānau or vote? Head to our website ngatirangi.com.